Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I have my good friend Mr. Chef Ho over. He will be cooking garlic shrimp soy Chinese style, and I would like to walk you through the process. First, I peel the garlic, and this is my unique technique of doing so.
This is noisy.
Then Mr. Ho cut the ginger, shallots, scallions, and leeks. The funny part is that we never put the leek in since we had a small pan, which was a waste.
Is that pasta or shrimp?
The next step was preparing the shrimp. He sliced the shrimp in the middle to absorb more flavor and for a faster cooking process. Let's start cooking. First, we butter the pan and add the shrimp. Since our pan wasn't big enough, we had to do this in 2 rounds. While cooking them, he added some olive oil and cooked them on each side until they were crispy, but not overcooked, since they would be cooked with the Chinese garlic sauce. Oh, that's it? You had no, right? It's good. Take it out. Take it out.
Kitchen today. So magic. I'm watching. I'm watching. Why everything takes so long?
Then we removed all shrimpos from the pan and added more oil. Then ginger. By the way, he also added a little bit of jalapeno. Then shallots, garlic, and scallions.
These are the foundation for the flavor.
Should I flip it over? And they continued cooking until the scallions got slightly translucent. Oh, what about? No. Then he added Vietnamese soy sauce along with regular low sodium soy sauce.
Special soy. Vietnamese soy sauce. This is more umami than the regular one. This one's low sodium.
Oh, okay.
This one has more flavor. This one is just salty.
And that's thicker, I think, right? No, the same? It's like this one is a little bit lighter.
He added pepper and salt and stirred a little.
NBA. MSG. He's holding it. He's standing and holding it. That's how you know. That's how you know.
And it's time to add the shrimpos to the pan with the sauce. Mix them well and stir.
the sauce soak in the shrimp.
Cook for a little while and make sure you flip them so they can be cooked from both sides.
The sauce should be like sticky already, kind of like waiting for the sauce to stick to the shrimp.
Oh,
Hey, babe.
ah, the good stuff. Wow. Look at that.
Here we go. They are done and ready for serving. That was so good and delicious. Thanks to Mr. Chef Ho for being a guest on my channel. Please like and subscribe if you want more videos like this.